Solve the system by any method. We have the equations 3x is equal to 6 plus y, and 6x minus 2y is equal to 12. I'm going to go ahead and identify these equations as equations 1 and 2, and I'm going to choose to use the elimination method. And so I'm going to select equation 1 and put it in ax plus by equals c form. I'm going to move the y to the other side. So that equation 1 becomes 3x minus y is equal to 6. Let's call that equation 3 since we've changed 1 up a bit. Rewriting equation 2, 6x minus 2y is equal to 12. We've got our equations in a similar format now with the x's together and the y's together and our number terms on the right-hand side, but we can't add them together yet because neither variable will cancel out. If we choose to eliminate the x variable, we can turn that number 3 in front of the x into a negative 6 pretty easily if we multiply equation number 3 through by a negative 2. So let's go ahead and do that. Negative 2 times 3x is a negative 6x. Negative 2 times a negative y is a positive 2y. And negative 2 times 6 is a negative 12. I'll go ahead and call that equation 4. We've changed it up a bit again, haven't we? Equation 2, I'm going to rewrite. That's 6x minus 2y is equal to 12. And now we're ready to add these equations together. Notice that the x variable eliminates. Oh, but also the y variable is gone, leaving us with 0 on the left-hand side. On the right-hand side, those number terms cancel out as well, leaving us with a true statement. 0 is equal to 0. This indicates graphically that when we graph one of these lines and then the next one, the second line sits right on top of that first one, and there are infinitely many solutions or points that are on those intersecting on those lines that lie on top of each other. So in this case, we would describe the solution set by saying the solution set is, well, it's a set that consists of all points x, y, such that now I can describe both of these lines using the same equation because they are indeed the same. And I'm going to choose equation 3 from above. 3x minus y is equal to 6. Let's go ahead and read that again. The solution set is all points x, y such that they satisfy the equation 3x minus y is equal to 6.